Welcome to 510 Carnation Avenue, located in the Flower Streets at Corona del Mar. Just a quick stroll from the beach. Working together with Barclay Butera, this home has been extensively remodeled, offering high ceilings with surround sound, multiple skylights, wide oak plank flooring, dual staircases, custom windows and doors, and the finest of finishes. The entertainer's kitchen offers a 60-inch stainless steel Wolf stove with 2 ovens, 6 burners, and a griddle, a steamer, and a sub-zero refrigerator. There were multiple marble slabs used to assure the perfect backdrop for this stunning kitchen. This breathtaking master bath is adorned by the soaking tub, Callista fixtures, pristine marble counters and floors, as well as his and her closets. This expansive bonus room is filled with natural light, offers surround sound, a wet bar, and it overlooks the tree-lined street. Thank you for taking a tour of this property with me today. If you'd like more information, please give me a call or send me a text.